welcome back to my family's channel, The Happy Healthy Vegans. I'm Stephanie, and today we are doing an unboxing of, yes, Bad Monkey popcorn. I love this Bad Monkey popcorn, and my husband actually got me, I don't know if you can see that, but it's the Valentines Sweetheart special box. So we're gonna open this up. So I have no clue what's in here other than popcorn, of course. Let's cut this open. Excited. Ooh, look. Cotton candy. I'm excited for that. I'm gonna have to hide it from my kids because my daughter's eyeballing it already. Oh, nice. That is so cute. With little hearts and stuff on it. And a rose. I'll totally use that for my lunches at work. Oh my God. That is so cool. Did you personalize that? Happy Healthy Vegans.
It's part of the package.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you can have it embroidered in whatever, your sweetheart's name
oh
or...
my God. Happy Healthy Vegans. Just like, isn't that so cute?
This is...
And no, you can't have it.
What?
No.
Damn.
Pink cherry baby girl popcorn. I don't know about that. I might have to eat that right now. Maple syrup, which
I'll take that.
I don't really like. Oh, my daughter says she wants it, and Boyd says he wants it too. We'll see. Oh my God, chocolate strawberry. I definitely have to hide this box. That looks so good. I don't know which one I should try first. What's this one? Oh, a tiny little bag of caramel popcorn. That's cute. Oh, microwave, more microwave popcorn. And a little popcorn bag to go with it. That's it. I gotta try one though. Which one should I
And
try?
then there's something else in there.
There is? No. Oh, it's a card.
What's it say?
Use the code winter15 to get 15% off your next order from Bad Monkey Popcorn. And saying thank you for purchasing.
Cool.
Right? That's it. Box is empty. I'm going to try one of these popcorns. This one. The chocolate strawberry.
You gonna try it?
Yeah.
Do you want to come try it?
I'm gonna try it.
My daughter wants to come try this. Okay, I'm sitting on everything. Oh, smell.
Oh, it smells really good.
It actually smells like strawberry chocolate. Okay. I'm gonna get a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of strawberry. Oh, I got a kernel.
I like that.
Mmm. That is good. Especially the aftertaste. You really can taste the strawberry chocolate. Wait. Mmm. I'm not even supposed to be eating right now. Like, that's horrible. Mmm. Oh my gosh, so good. You like it? It's good, eh? What's the other one?
Try cotton candy.
Cotton candy's cotton candy. I want to try this one.
Okay. Can I have some of that?
You want to try this?
Yeah. Yeah, I can have
That's done. My son wants to try it too.
Where's one scissors? You just have scissors.
They're in my... They're here.
I feel really good.
You're not in the picture, are you?
He kind of is.
I try some of that cotton candy.
Oh, I
as
think
well.
I need a drink of water.
There you go.
This is the pink cherry. I knew I should hit that from you. Is it good? It tastes just like regular cotton candy.
God.
Get out of here. Don't eat all my cotton candy.
Oh, a little good.
That just tastes like regular cotton candy.
It's still cotton candy.
Oh, I like this one. No, you can't. No,
like?
can't.
I
No,
wanna try it.
no.
Let me try it.
That's really good.
It was like ketchup.
No.
That is really good.
That's really no.
Actually, kind of reminds me of toothpaste. Like one of the toothpaste flavors.
What? That is really good. This is the Valentine's edition, so it's only out probably till end of February, maybe. Do you know?
Yeah, you can order your box now to get it before Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
We ordered it, or I ordered it.
Yeah, I didn't even know he was ordering this. This was a surprise.
I ordered it this week. They shipped it out yesterday. We got it today, so
Yeah.
it was pretty good turnaround.
So if you want a sweetheart edition of Bad Monkey popcorn, go ahead and order. And no, I don't get paid for this. I just really like their popcorn.
Yeah.
Bye now. Oh my gosh. I like this one. It's so good. Better than the strawberry chocolate. It's
Cotton candy.
No, cotton candy.
Yeah.
Come on, cotton candy.
No.
I'm his sweetheart, not you.
So why am I not getting that much? Still cotton candy.
They wanted to try the maple syrup and the caramel. And I'm getting out of here.
Ow, your butt.
Taking your cotton candy too?
I'm taking my cotton candy.
Okay.
I think
You try the popcorn.
Alright, it's fine.
Try not to eat all the cotton candy. Yeah? I think that's Sam's happy face. Must be good. I don't really
It's
like
so
it.
good.
Boyd's
I don't
having,
like that one.
Boyd's having a difficult time.
I don't have long nails like her.
She didn't use her
Who?
nails.
I'm talking about her.
Okay, because I don't have nails.
Yeah. I thought he was talking about you.
That's really good.
Why is it so good?
Because it is.
It reminds me of pancakes.
Man, you pancakes?
Oh, kinda.
What's that remind you of?
Syrup.
This reminds me of the tiramisu desserts at August 8.
Oh,
Oh,
that's a good point.
yeah. You love those. I don't think
Yeah,
we can't eat
we
them
can't
anymore.
have them. You can't eat them anymore, so that's like a good thing.
Oh, nice.
It's like my tiramisu fix.
Swap.
Oh, good idea, bud.
Dope.
That does remind me of pancakes.
Right?
Yeah. Kind of weird.
This one. That one's like tiramisu. That one reminds me of pancakes?
That reminds me of syrup.
Maybe you haven't had that one. Maybe it's not what you think it is.
No, I've eaten both of them. Not a fan.
Yes.
I really don't like the creme brulee one. The caramel one?
I don't mind it.
As you stuff your face with cotton candy.
Yeah.
Sounds like mom.
Cotton candy's good.
Can I have some more?
Swap again.
Swap.
This will, if we don't eat this, it'll just go hard, so.
I love this.
So what do you guys think of it? Good?
The cotton candy, yes.
Have you guys liked all the product that we've gotten from them so far?
Yeah.
What's your
I don't
favorite?
like the ketchup.
You don't like the ketchup?
Did you actually just
Why?
say that?
Yeah, Boyd's a
don't like
ketchup.
it.
I like the ketchup.
I like the ketchup too.
It's too sour.
So which one do you like out of all of them?
The dill pickle one and the cheese one. And the cotton candy.
The cotton candy is, I didn't even know they made that.
That's just a Valentine special. They don't really.
No, I think they do sell it. I think it's,
Oh,
they
really?
offer it. Yeah, you can buy it.
Why did you give me such a small piece?
Because we love you less.
Hey,
That's
not
not nice.
That's not nice.
I love you both equally.
She's your favorite
Awkward
daughter.
moment.
She's your favorite daughter, and she.
She's your favorite son? And he's your favorite son? Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
I
You
remember
say
that.
bye to the camera?
Bye.
I'm the favorite child.
Bye.
See ya.
See, look at the camera and say bye.
Bye.
Peace out.
I'm favorite.
Oh. I'm my favorite.